Hello everyone! In this part of our educational series, we will briefly cover the differences between vector-based and pixel-based images. As you can see on the screen, there are two images currently displayed. While they appear similar, there is a significant difference between them. The image on the right is pixel-based, while the one on the left is vector-based. Let's zoom in to see what I mean. As we zoom in on the right image, you'll notice that the details begin to deteriorate and distort. As you can see, as you increase the pixel size of the image, there will be distortions in details and loss of quality. This is due to the very nature of pixels. Since each pixel image is made up of small squares, as it gets larger, these squares become more noticeable and the quality of the image decreases. Now, let's look at the image on the left. This is a vector-based image. Unlike pixel-based images, vector images are not made up of individual pixels but are based on mathematical equations. This means that no matter how much you zoom in, the image remains sharp and clear without any distortion. Let me zoom in to the maximum level up to 64,000%, and as you can see, there is no quality loss or pixelation. To summarize, pixel-based images will lose quality when enlarged, resulting in visible distortions. On the other hand, vector-based images remain clear regardless of the zoom level or size adjustments. Programs like Adobe Illustrator are designed to work with vector images, while software like Photoshop is used for editing pixel-based images. Another point to mention is that vector-based images generally take up less storage space compared to pixel-based images, making them more efficient for design work. Vector images can easily be converted to pixel images if needed, but converting pixel-based images to vector requires redrawing or applying complex editing techniques. In this lesson, we have learned the differences between vector-based and pixel-based images. In our next lesson, we'll cover more topics related to design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon!